these 3 impact drivers, and I'm going to start making holes over there. Let's see which one is the most quiet one and maybe the fastest one. Hope you enjoyed this small test, and see you next time. Just let me know which one you like the most. All right, as you can see, I have some experience with all types of impact drivers. So as you can see, in this video, I was using this one. This is the DCF850. So that is the most compact impact driver that you can find, at least for now. And it's very powerful. It's from DeWalt, as you can see. And I didn't use a boom meter, to measure the noise, because I saw another video doing the same thing, and you cannot even tell. I mean, you have like a few dBs, but by using them, I can tell you my experience. So, like I said before, I used them all, and the one I like the most, this I bought it like 1 week ago. This is I bought it in 2022. So we are in October now. So this is the latest one. So if you want to see the model and everything, that is the search. So when you see search, that means that is the most quiet one from Milwaukee. So also it has a clear plastic here. And then here I was using this one, the comparison. So this is the version of subcompact impact driver, as you can see here. I'll see if I can show you. All right, as you can see, this is the model is R8723, and it's not very. This one is not that powerful, but it's very small. At least the diameter. If you compare it with almost anything else, is more compact. So this one is shorter. It's a little bit shorter. You see this one, the first generation. So I was using the DeWalt almost for everything until I found out about the Milwaukee. And this is the difference is very noticeable. You're not going to be able to tell that much over the video, like I said before. So that is why I did a hole with this one, and with this one. So this one is very fast, it's very noisy, and this one is the slowest one and the less powerful one. But if you want to have something that is kind of tiny and you don't want to spend that much, this one is a good deal. Other than that, I have the other ones. If you want to compare, for instance, here I have the 60037. So it's way bigger. If we compare it with the, with the Ryobi, with this is the model that you see here. And if you compare it even with the Bosch, the Bosch is the less powerful of all of them. It's like 1 year or 2 years old, as you can see. It's not that small either, and you don't have any speed to regulate anything like you have here or with the Milwaukee, and the other. This one you don't have any speed with the little one, but with this one, yes, you have some variation of the speed. You have 1, 2, 3. So this is very powerful. So hopefully this video was useful. I may do more videos later about more tools, and see you next time.